Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare super delicious dinner only for 30 minutes. Our dinner today includes 3 components: super juicy meatballs, super delicious sauteed potatoes with some garlic and dill, and the third one is a fresh garden salad. Let's get started. First, I have some baby potatoes in here. I've already washed them, so guys, wash yours as well. Get yourself a pot. I already have some boiling water in here, just to save some time. Transfer your potatoes in the pot. Pour your boiling water. And then put it on the stove to boil for around 15 minutes. While our potatoes are boiling, we can start preparing our meatballs. Today I'm using a beef mince. I'm just gonna put it in our mixing bowl. Then I already grated 1 onion. You can also chop it very finely. Just add it in there. We will need 1 egg. Let's crack it. We will also need some breadcrumbs. Not too much, that's enough. And our herbs. Of course, the good old salt and pepper. Salt. I already know this will be super delicious. I can't wait to eat that. Some pepper, black pepper. Okay, that's enough. We will need a little bit of cumin. All the spices and herbs you put up to your taste. I like to add, there is one herb, dried herb, which is actually very common in my country, Bulgaria. We call it chubrica. I really don't know what's the name in English, but it's something, it tastes like a little bit of oregano and a little bit of thyme. So just, I add a little bit of that. And of course, smoked paprika. That makes wonders with any dish. Now all we have to do is just to get our hands dirty. Before we start shaping our meatballs, I just realized that I have some fresh parsley, and if I add it to the meatballs, that will be a very nice compliment to them. So I just add it in there. That's perfect. Now we get our hands dirty. Degrees. Our meatballs are ready to go inside, and they will be ready in about 20 to 25 minutes depending on the size. By the time we put our meatballs in the oven, our potatoes were already boiled. Mine I cut into half because they were too big. Then I chopped some dill, fresh dill, and some garlic. Now let's finish them. Take a pan, put some butter, that will smell amazing. Who doesn't love the smell of the butter, the garlic and the dill? It's almost melted, so I can put my potatoes. After about 2 minutes, our potatoes are ready. They smell amazing. You don't want to burn the garlic, so don't keep them for too long. Anyway, they're already cooked and boiled beforehand. So that's done. So our dinner is now into our final stage. The meatballs are almost ready in the oven, and now I'm gonna quickly chop my fresh salad. What I'm going to use is 1 cucumber, few cherry tomatoes, some baby lettuce, spring onion, and lemon, and of course salt and olive oil. I'm gonna keep it really simple, and for our dressing for the salad I'm just going to use some lemon juice, some olive oil and salt. So let me squeeze some lemon now. Okay, here we go, all in there. I love the smell of the lemon. A drizzle of olive oil and some salt, and then we're just going to mix it together and we are done with the salad. Guys, our meatballs are done. You can't believe the kitchen smells amazing. Let's have a look. Wow, I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat that dinner. This is the perfect dinner to share with friends or family and impress them. And all that for just 30 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my 30-minute dinner recipe. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's dinner time!